Sarad and welcome to the 9th tutorial of XHTML and CSS. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about the tables. So tables are basically a well-defined way to organize your data in the rows and columns. So for inserting the tables on your own website, you have to add a table tags, obviously. So let's do this. Press a less than sign, table, and a greater than sign. So a couple of spaces and a closing tag, forward slash, table, and a greater than sign. So here we insert the table tag. So between these two table tags we have to define the rows and the columns. So for the rows you need to type a less than sign, tr, and a greater than sign, some couple of spaces, a less than sign, forward slash, tr, and a greater than sign. So here is a first row. So I'll make it I want to make 3 rows in this. So let's copy this and paste it. So bam, in this table we have 3 rows. Okay, so after that, in every row tag you need to define the columns. So between the every row tag you have to type the how much column you want. So for the columns you have to press a less than sign, td, and a greater sign. Again less than, a forward slash, and a td. So here the td stands for table data. So let's copy this. I want to make 3 columns, I guess. Okay, so in our first row here we have 3 columns. Okay, here in our first row here we have 3 columns, column 1, column 2, column 3. So let's copy this to save some time. Okay, okay, so let's give some spaces to make it readable. Okay, so what we did here is, here we have first row, and the first row have 3 columns. Okay, here is our second row, and the second row have 3 columns. Here is our third row, and third row have 3 columns. Here is our fourth rows, and here we have fourth row. In the fourth row here we have 3 columns. So let's save this and see what will happen. See, if nothing happens because we didn't apply or didn't give any data. So between the column rows or a table data you need to type the data. So I'll type food, I guess. Let's type the food varieties. Let's type pizza, burgers, burgers, fish. Okay, so at this I'll type tuna, bacon, chicken, I guess. I love that. Chicken. Okay, so let's. Okay, so here what I'm going to write. Okay. Tuna, bacon, chicken, chilies, and then ice creams, donuts, fries, and one more thing. Let's type Chota King. Okay, so let's save this and see what will happen. Bam, here is our table, but there's something missing in this. Here here we don't have any borders actually. So when you highlight this, you can actually see the borders in this. So for the borders, you need to type in table tag, in the new table tag, you need to type borders, BORDER, border, equals to double quotation, I'll type 1. So it's, remember, it's 1 pixel, not 1 mm, not centimeter. Okay, so let's save this and see what will happen. Here we got this. Here the 1 pixel border is created. So I hope you guys understand this. So thank you for watching. I'll meet you guys on the next tutorial.